flight crew and all the employees of Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Nashville. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, your seat back and tray table in the full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items stowed. You may use your cell phone as we taxi to the gate if it is within arm's reach, but remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. When we do reach the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening overhead bins. Items do tend to shift during flight and could fall out. If you are continuing on to Columbus, please remain in your original seat. Once all of the local Nashville passengers are off the aircraft, Verdinas will come from the back to count the number of you going on, and once we have a confirmed count, we'll let you know what your options are for getting up and moving around. If you're connecting to another Southwest flight here in Nashville, please check the monitors in the terminal for the most up-to-date gate and flight information. This aircraft will receive ground servicing. For your safety and any children you may be supervising, please remain clear of any open front and back service doors. It's been our pleasure having you on board this morning. We know you do have a choice when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Have a pleasant stay here in Nashville or wherever your final destination may take you. If you're sitting by a window as we make our way to the gate, if you would just